Do you want to know how you can change your password on Remitly? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your Remitly password. Go ahead and open Remitly on your phone. If you don't have Remitly, you can download it from the Play Store. After you download it, open it and log into your account or sign up for Remitly if you don't have your account. After you log into your account, you can see this type of interface. In order for you to change your password, go ahead and click on Manage and click on Profile. Then scroll a bit down and you can see Password. Go ahead and tap on Edit. You must write down your current password now. Make sure that your password is correct and go to the new password. This is the new password which you must write down. Go ahead and write down the new password in this box. After you have written it down, you must write it down again in the third box. Make sure that the confirm password and new password matches. Go ahead and click Save after that, and you can click Save on your Google account. And there you go. This is how easily you can change your Remitly password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.